My dear customer, in this video, I want to compare two devices which we have Otg2 and Otg3 for you. Otg2 on the left. It is operated through remote control and use a text editor like Gmail, Note, or text message as a window for you to see what's inside, what's the setting inside. And Otg3 it's a newly released device, and it is operated through the mouse key and function key on the box for the people who is not familiar with using remote control. Both device has greater speed. Otg2 has the fastest speed still. It runs 400 tap and swipe per minute, and Otg3 it's up to 380 tap and swipe per minute. For some specific phone, the Otg3 can be calibrated to fit, and then it can run up to 460 loops per minute. So it really depends on what phone you are using. Generally speaking, Otg2 still has the most stable and best speed. Okay, so for Otg2, it uses a text editor. So when you plug in the into the phone, you have to open a text editor like Gmail. Okay, so you tap the text editing area, and then you use a remote control to operate. So, for example, we print out the setting. Okay, after you have done the setting, you have to save the setting and then switch back to Amazon Flex, and then you just press the button and it runs. Yeah, this device actually can be done a very complicated setting. Depends on your strategy. Okay, then for Otg3, okay, first I have to cancel the and then for Otg3, it's more intuitive. So if you are not familiar with using remote control, you can have Otg3. So you plug in, and then you press the setup key for more than 1 second, and it pop up the setting. So here it means for the first action motion. Okay, and then you set press time, you set release time, and the execution time is default. And then you use mouse key to change to the second motion. and then you press more than 1 second, it disappears. And then it also saves the setting. And then you use mouse key to do the position. Tap. Swipe. Then you press run start and stop key. So you press one time, it go to the preparation position, and then you press again, it runs one time, and you press more than 1 second, it runs non-stop. So this is the device we recommend for people who are not familiar with remote control. Okay, thank you.